What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best blender for ice and frozen fruit in 2022, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I conducted thorough research, read numerous reviews, and prepared a list of the best blender for ice and frozen fruit from reliable brands to assist you in making an informed decision. Check out my description for more information on the price and other details, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe now. So without further hesitation, let's get started with the video. Number 1. Whether you want for making cocktail drinks, ice-cold smoothies, shakes, or ice cream, I have picked the best there's. All the products on the list are based on various aspects, including performance, pricing, and reviews plus ratings from other users. Overall, this is my number 1 of all the models and my first recommendation for anyone who wants to start making frozen diets. It has a lovely balance of both performance and affordability, which explains the over 15,000 ratings on Amazon. The machine has a well-made design, with a flexible style that allows you to use it as either a countertop or personal blender. It comes as a complete kit, with a large 72-ounce pitcher and multiple Nutri Ninja cups. So, there won't be any reason for you to go back to the shop unless it's for the blending ingredients. Speaking of blending, by the way, this blender has an 1100-watt base, featuring 3 speed setting and a pulsing feature. Hence, you can work on any material texture, and with complete control. If it's ice or frozen fruits, the Ninja pitcher comes with the exclusive 6-blade assembly that delivers a fine snowy texture in seconds. And if you want the single-serve blending, the Nutri cups come with the Pro Extractor blades assembly that also breaks down the whole ingredients without disappointment. All you have to remember is that the cups don't have the chute to breathe through. So, you shouldn't blend with them for long periods continuously or use hot water. Number 2. If you're looking for the best blender for ice and frozen fruit but on a small budget, Hamilton might be a perfect place to start. For this particular model, for instance, you won't even need $40, yet you can use to perform almost all blending purposes. Like most from the maker, the blender comes with a sleek conical power base, featuring a 700-watt engine. Of course, that's not very high, but still, it's powerful enough to create icy drinks, shakes, smoothies, among other recipes. The blender doesn't have the variable speed setting, but the control panel has 5 buttons for various blending functions. So, you can work on any of your recipes easily and to high consistency. More to love, this blender comes with a BPA-free 40-ounce pitcher that can make 4 to 5 cups of smoothies per time. The jar is a tough heavy glass and has a unique patented spout that ensures perfect pouring without a mess. Still, the jar has the patented wave action technology that makes it possible to blend as it pulls the mixture down into the blades. And when it comes to cleaning time, you can comfortably put in the dishwasher together with the other utensils. Number 3. With a significant budget at hand, Vitamix is certainly the greatest that you can have on your kitchen countertop. The blender has a well-made construction, featuring a tough plastic motor base and all-metal drive system. So, you can continue blending for a long time without having any issues. At the core, this machine has a very powerful 2-horsepower motor that works on the toughest ingredients without disappointment. If it's dry ice blocks or frozen fruits, you can still achieve a fine texture without having to add any liquid. Besides, the motor also has an added peak horsepower boost to help counter the startup resistance. So, the blender gets to achieve its maximum blending speed 37,000 RPM pretty faster. It does have a variable speed feature, which means you can also perform food processor tasks with efficiency. Even better, the blender and its rugged aircraft-grade stainless steel blades can bring cold ingredients to steaming hot. Hence, you can serve your mixture immediately without requiring to reheat further. That said, however, Vitamix usually packs most of their blenders, including Model 5200, with a wet blade container. Yes, the jar is strong enough to make smoothies and grain flour powders. But if you're hoping to be grinding on a regular basis, you should think about getting a dry blade. Number 4. This is an alternative best personal blender for crushing ice that you choose if you usually prefer to have frozen smoothies for your breakfast. It consists of a sleek design with a high-torque 800-watt power base that can help pulverize fruits and ice for your delicious smoothies. If you don't have any other blender at home, this blender doesn't have a large capacity to brag about. It uses 24 and 12-ounce containers that are only perfect for a single-serve blending about 2 to 3 cups of smoothies. The blender is more like the NutriBullet, only that this one does have the button for pulsing and continuous blending. So, you'll it very easy to use, plus you can work on your ingredients with complete control. More on that The blender has a rugged 3-edge blade assembly that breaks up the walls of the fruits and vegetables without struggle. You can also use it to crush nuts and seeds, but I wouldn't say you'll get fine flour as when using a high-power machine like Vitamix. If you would want frozen ice drinks, however, the blender is powerful enough to liquefy ice cubes without leaving chunks. Number 5, of all the brands on the list so far, none of them has something I would mention for the technogeeks. But when it comes to Blendtec, the group has a good state of technology, which explains why all their machines have pre-programmed settings. As for this particular model, there are 6 presets, namely for a smoothie, ice cream, soups, dressings, whole juice, and crushing ice. Nonetheless, these settings are not limited to the 6, but also their respective blending tasks. That's making frozen yogurts, milkshakes, syrups, fondues, dips, sauces, and batters. The blender has a powerful, commercial-quality 3-horsepower motor that achieves an incredible speed of up to 29,000 RPM. This no doubt is some heavy power, plus it comes with a 10 incremental speed setting. So, you can achieve a variety of textures, and with complete control. In addition to that, the Total Classic pitcher included has the exclusive vertical wingtips blade and the Vortex blending technology. Thus, you can work on the toughest ingredients and to ultimate efficiency since it blends while pulling the ingredients towards the blade. Regardless, Blendtec is the major competitor of Vitamix. So, it's relatively more expensive than the standard blender. That's all for today. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see helpful videos on a daily basis. You can share this video with your friends and family. Check out my description if you need more information or want to know the price of the product. Please comment if you have any problems. Stay up to date on our cool products because they will make your life much easier. Thanks for watching this video.